Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and this is my Moxie life. If you haven't been here before, welcome. This is something kind of new that I am doing, and it is showing you guys a product that I found. I was actually online looking for initial necklaces, and then I'm also like sucked in by anything that like has my kids' names or initials on it. And so I actually found this company, and they have some super cute stuff. So they sent me a few things that I'm going to show you. Now, one of them I have opened and one I haven't, so we're gonna unbox these together. The name of the company is called Karativa Jewelry, and they have tons of cute stuff. And one of the first things I'm gonna show you is a way that you can package your items that they send you. And it's super cute. The little box, this is what the box looks like that it comes in. And this says, I love you all my life. And they just sent me this, like I actually did not request this. They just sent it to me. So it's super cute, but it is a little jewelry music box. So it has like a little flower thing in the top. It's kind of cute. It would be super cute as a gift. And it has a little drawer. And it's a music box as well. Can you hear it? Isn't that adorable? And then you close it up and it stops. I just thought that was so cute. So that is the first thing that they sent me. So what a cute way to present something to someone as a gift. I mean, especially for Valentine's Day, look at that card. And they have different colors and different styles and different songs and stuff. So that's the music box. So adorable. I'm gonna set it right there. All right, so here's the items. They let me pick out a few items, or a couple items. And so I wanted an initial necklace, and so I did order that. And then I wanted something with my kids' initials on it. So this is the box that it comes in, the original box. Ooh, careful. And then, okay, here's a little jewelry box. And then also included is a little bag, so you can travel with it. And let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a little cleaning cloth, so that's cool. And everything is branded, super pretty, Karativa. All right, so let's open up and see what we ordered. All right, so both necklaces are in here. One is silver and one is gold. I wear both. I've been wearing a little bit more gold lately, but if you guys have watched any of my videos, you've seen that I wear pretty much the same necklace all the time. I don't change my jewelry very much. I'm just kind of lazy, and I don't like to like take it off at night and stuff. So I just wear things that I don't have to mess with too much. So anyway, so this is the gold one. Comes in this little baggie, and this is the initial necklace. So here it is. So cute. Oh my goodness. It looks like, it almost looks like little bones, like the font looks like little bones. I don't know if you can see very well. There we go. So it has a little like extender thing on here, and then it's got a little dangly heart as well. So, all right. So here's a cutie patootie little M that I got, and you can wear it hooked either way. It looks the same. Thankfully I have a letter that you can flip it either way. For work I prefer a little bit shorter necklaces, so I just hooked it on whichever one I could find. But oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. What a cute gift idea, right? Oh my gosh. So I would probably maybe do it one link higher, just have it a little bit higher. All right, let's open the next one, shall we? Okay, you guys, I'm so excited about this. All right, so this has all of our initials on it. So me, my husband, and my kids, and it's a double necklace, if I can get it. All right, so it is a double necklace, so it has a little gem here, a little gem part to it, and then everybody's initial letter on a little dangly thing. You guys can see that. So Jared, Martha, Gray, Emma, and Riley. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. I cannot even tell you. I'm way more excited about this than I thought I would be. So if you're looking for a cute gift, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, I mean really any day. Any day you want to make someone feel special, their birthday, I highly recommend. These are really, really cute, and I am super, super happy with these. I am going to give you guys a link for a 10% off if you order something. And I don't really make anything off of this. It's just a cool thing for you guys. And also I'll put the links to these specific items. One other thing I wanted to show you in the box, they also have a little bag, like a little gift bag. So if you don't want to use the box, you can take this out, put your item in there. And they have a lot of rings, and I can't remember if they have bracelets or not, but I know they have the rings, lots of rings and necklaces, and then sets, like matching sets that go together. But yeah, so there's also a little gift bag, so you can just put your item in the box and put it in the gift bag. And what a cute little presentation. I love it. All right, you guys. So thank you for watching, and thank you for participating in my little promo video. And if you are interested, all the things will be linked down below, the link for the 10%, and then the link for the items that I have as well. So if you'd like to purchase them for an upcoming gift, or if you just want to treat yourself, do it. Hey guys, welcome to day one of my Christmas trip. I am at LAX right now. I've got about 15 minutes before we board, and one of the rules of flying either internationally or to Hawaii is that you have to be at the aircraft 45 minutes early instead of 30. And yeah, so I am just hanging out here. Got myself a little snacky poo and some coffee. Had to leave my house at like a little after 3. I was pretty early, but I was able to get a snack and coffee, so that's good. So I'm gonna go have a bite, and I'll check in later.
Y'all, these guys are alive. They're alive!
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this video. We'll see if it works. It's so windy right now. This is the Kauai I remember. Always freaking windy at the beach. But the sand's not blowing, so that's good. I am like, hello, in heaven. We had 3 legs today. I got here at about, I think 2-ish, and had some salad and came out to walk on the beach, and it's magical, as always. I can never lose with coming to walk on the beach. Living on the beach down there, you can see that, and which is crazy. It's always weird. It's always kind of weird that every time I'm on the beach, like, I'm just my happiest. And I feel my most at peace. And I'm getting emotional. I think I need to go to bed. I'm tired. Hey, good morning, everyone. Here I am on my balcony in Kauai, and I'm just getting ready to make some coffee, and I thought I would say good morning. Had a good night's sleep, and it is about 8:30 here, so I probably could have slept some more, but I only have a few hours left here, so I figured I'd get up and maybe do something. I don't know what. Maybe go work out, go take a walk. It's kind of windy, as usual. It does look a little gray in the sky, so it doesn't show rain, but you just never know. So I'm gonna make coffee. I have this new coffee that I want to show you guys that I brought. So let's go make coffee. So the coffee comes in these little pods, and it is frozen. Now the freezer here did not keep it frozen, so it is thawed out, but that's okay. So I went ahead and put my creamer in, and then what you're supposed to do is drop the pod in. This is the light, Edito light. You're supposed to drop the pod in and then pour the hot water over it. And as you can see, it's not frozen. It's supposed to be frozen, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And then I'm brewing hot water, and then I'll just pour the hot water on, and voila, coffee. So I thought this would be a good option to take with me, since a lot of times the coffee in the rooms is not that great. So I'll have my own coffee and we'll see how it tastes. I got 4 boxes. I think there's 8 in a box. Yeah, I got 32 servings. That's right. And it's the light. I got the light box, and so we'll see. I'm thinking it's gonna be good. I saw it, heard it advertised on podcast, Rainn Wilson's podcast, Metaphysical Pancake. Is that what it's called? Metaphysical Pancake, I think. Milkshake. Metaphysical Milkshake. And they advertised it, so I thought that was kind of a cool option to take with me, and even if it doesn't stay frozen, at least it stays cold, and then I just plop it in and make my coffee. So hopefully it's yummy. We'll see. Okay guys, it smells so good. This is really good. So yummy. Oh my god. It's really fantastic. I'm not making this up. Yum. I'm gonna go enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to day 2. I am sitting waiting for boarding. We are leaving Maui. No, we're not leaving Maui. We're leaving Kauai, and we are going to Honolulu, Hilo, Honolulu, and finish in Maui. We have just over 14 hours in Maui. We get in at like 9:20, I think, and kind of bummed because everything's already closed. I was hoping to maybe go get food or something, but that is not to be. So anyway, yeah, that's the story for the day. So we're getting ready to board up. Pre-boarders are coming, and wrapping up day 2. Happy Christmas Eve. I have my peppermint scarf on, and then today, instead of my headband, I wore my Hawaii flowers. So I'm representing, and then tomorrow we have 2 legs. One to Sacramento and one home to LA. Should get in around 11 and drive home. Wrap that puppy up. Alright, that's all for now. Peace. Okay guys, I have to tell you a little story real quick. So we used to live in Hawaii for about a year-ish, maybe a little bit more. And sorry, they have all the lights turned off, so it's like really dark in here. So we lived in Hawaii, and one of the like staple foods that people eat here is chili and rice. So they made chili and rice. We worked for a resort and like a retreat center where they had like family reunions and stuff. And every retreat, every event wanted chili and rice as one of their meals. They made it for the staff all the time. I could not stand it. I was so sick of chili and rice. I wanted to die, and every time they had it, well, and also I was pregnant, so it was just like, ugh, I did not want to have it. So anyway, we're here in Hilo, and I didn't really get like a lunch or anything. So I went down, and they have like a little itty bitty little like snack bar place. They have a lot of liquor, not a lot of food. But guess what I got? Chili and rice. We'll see how it goes. So this is the road down from our hotel to the beach in Maui. I have only been here once before, and it was very short. I didn't get to do anything. We came in kind of late-ish and then left pretty early. So I don't have a lot of time. I only have like an hour and a half before I have to get ready, but I'm gonna take advantage and walk down to the beach. Hey guys, so this is where I'm at in Maui. I don't know if the camera shows how amazing it looks, but it is pretty dang amazing. Never ceases to impress me, the beauty here. Love it. All right, you guys, don't forget, have a great day.